This can either go really good or really bad. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Kevin, which means you're new and you should subscribe. If you've seen my previous videos and haven't subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be letting a random wheel decider program online pick my makeup for me. I'm not like a usually lucky person, I never win at casinos or anything, I always lose money. So I don't go and gamble at all. But maybe today's my day, who knows? This could be either the most gorgeous makeup look in the world or the most hideous thing to ever grace the planet. We'll see what happens. As you can tell, right now my face is bare naked, she's not too cute. But that's okay. We're gonna get ready just like before. If you've seen my last video, then you know how my whole makeup routine starts. If you haven't seen my last video, I suggest you go ahead and watch it. Here's a little fast motion clip of how I get ready. You can see that I start with gluing down my eyebrows and combing them out. Then I move on to color correcting, which hides all the blue tones of my face. You go back and do a second coat of glue. Oop, there's the glue stick lick. Tastes bad every single time. Oh, he's got the e.l.f. powder. Press it in, press it in. Next, we move on to hiding that brow color. There's some more color corrector. There's the heavy foundation. Oh, and there's the real foundation. There we go. A nice smooth canvas. There's the concealer that I tried last video. We love her. Put it all on. Yes. Now blend her in. Ooh, look at that smooth finish. And move on to contour. Get those cheekbones sculpted to the gods. And buff out that contour with your JS3 brush. Yes, grab that powder. Set that face, bitch. Now take your contour and highlight palette and put some light back in your face. And take that powder and begin to bake. Get those jaw lines, the under eye, the forehead, the chin. And finish your face up by drawing on your eyebrows. Look at her, she is prepped and ready to go. Alright, so I've got my foundation and my eyebrows on, and I think they came out pretty good. They're pretty even. It could be better, a little bit thick, but not too bad. So I have 4 different eyeshadow palettes, and they're all from Jeffree Star. We've got Blood Sugar and Blue Blood. I also have Alien and Jawbreaker, which I haven't actually even dipped into yet. So what I'm going to do is put all of these into a little wheel program, and the wheel will spin and we'll see which palette it chooses. Based off that, I will make it choose, for instance, Jawbreaker has I think 24 different shadows. So I'll pick 3 random numbers between 1 and 24. 1 will be my crease color, 2 will be my outside corner, and 3 will be my inside corner. If that makes sense, I think it does. So let's see what the wheel chooses for palette. Alright, there's our wheel, and let's give it a spin. So we got the Alien palette. Alright, so you saw the wheel chose the Alien palette. So here it is. And let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there's 18 shades in the Alien palette, and it'll choose 3 for our actual shadow colors. Alright, I've put numbers 1 through 18 into the little wheel program, and let's see what the first color will be. Alright, so first is eyeshadow number 7. What is eyeshadow number 7? So shade number 7 is called Gravity. So that's going to be my crease color. Let's spin the wheel again and see what we get. Eyeshadow number 4. And eyeshadow number 4 is called Interstellar. Ooh, it's like a pretty silver that I've really gouged into before. Alright, and the last spin. Eyeshadow number 1. Okay, and eyeshadow number 1 is like a shimmery white color. So I guess that's a good compliment for the 4th eyeshadow, which is Interstellar. Be like a darker, silvery color to a bright white, which Could be pretty. I don't know. These are kind of basic colors. I was kind of hoping for one of the weirder colors, like maybe this green or like this purple or something. But maybe we'll get lucky and have like a cool lipstick or highlight color. Who knows? Oops. First shade was shade number 7. That was Gravity. Dip right in and right into there. Gravity laid down very nicely. I think what I'm going to do is cut the crease by using my e.l.f. concealer, and then that'll give it like a sticky base to stick the 2 shimmery shades to, which I think make them pop a little better. Alright, our crease is prepped, and we're going to give our brush a little spray with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Just, where's the sprayer? Right there. Like 2 to 3 sprays. Give it a little wave, and then take Interstellar, kind of pat it on. So we're just going to go about halfway across the lid, like the center of your pupil, and call that the border. Alright, taking that same brush, we're just going to spray the other side. 2 squirts, dry it off, and dig into, what was it called? Oh, it's called Pluto. Okay, I'm not going to lie, the two look very similar to me. Like, it's very hard to tell the difference between the 2 shadows. I mean, it's kind of pretty, so I think I'm going to take Interstellar and also just kind of swipe it under my eye, just for, I don't know, a little bit of added pop. Why not? Alright, so I think that first eye is pretty much done. Looks like it, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that same exact process over on the other eye, and we'll see how the 2 look together. The eyes are all set, and I'm actually kind of in love with them. I think it's my thing. Like when I first start, like the eyeshadow, I'm like, whatever, it's okay. But then once I finish it, I'm like, oh, okay, she's actually pretty cute. I like you. Okay, I can go on all day about this eyeshadow, but we won't. We're gonna move on to eyeliner. We're going to see what the wheel says. Do we or do we not do eyeliner? All right, and spin the wheel. The wheel says yes. Yes, we do eyeliner. We do eyeliner. I'm gonna be brave and try to start doing this on camera. Can't promise I finish it on camera. No, I can't do it. Nope. I just finished my eyeliner and it's actually pretty even, which impresses me. I'm going to put on some mascara now, which is the exact same one I've been using like the entire time I've been doing drag. Top lashes are done. Now let's get those bottom lashes. Alright, those lashes are on now. It makes the eyeshadow look a million times better. I can already see it. For the rest of my lashes, I figured I'd let the wheel decide if we do a more natural looking lash or a more dramatic lash. And the wheel is going to choose a natural lash. Alright, so it shall be. So we got our lashes, and there's no way I can actually put these on at the spot where I'm sitting currently, so I'll go pop them on in the bathroom and I'll be right back. Alrighty, and there are the lashes. I kind of like the subtle look. I used to always wear like the really big dramatic ones, but I really like the way that these ones just like fit right into the lash line and just kind of blends seamlessly with like my real lashes. So next we're going to move on to doing blush with the same brush as before. It's my go-to. So I can't even see what I'm doing. I don't know why I would even try to do that. Where's the mirror? Even the brush smells like cotton candy from the setting powder I used. Oh my god, it's so good. There's the blush. Now our face really looks a lot more lively. Next, we're going to move on to lipstick, and I have 6 different colors. You're Still on the Property, which is like a really dark blue. It's kind of like the Walmart blue. And of course, we have Cherry Wet, which I've done in the last video, and that's that really pretty red that I love so much. This next one is called Unicorn Blood. Unicorn Blood is like a dark red. I don't know, it's not really my color, but. And then I have Diva, which is, as you can tell, this hot pink. Very much Barbie. And then I have Triggered. Triggered is like a metallic, I think it's metallic, like purple color. And lastly, we have Androgyny, and Androgyny is the dark nude color. Let's put these colors into the wheel and see what it chooses. And give the wheel a spin. Diva! Ooh! Alright, so the wheel chose Diva, which is that Barbie pink color. This one's really pretty, I do like it, and I'm sure it'll complement this look pretty well. At least I hope it will. Alright, there are those Barbie pink lips. Ooh, I just love that color so much. The last thing we have to put on before we spray our face is our highlight, which I've been using for my mirror the entire video. So there are 6 different highlighter shades. There's Ice Cold, Glacier, Lavender, Alien Ice, Pink Chill, and Canary Bling. So I'm going to put all 6 of those shades into the wheel, and we'll see what it chooses. I've labeled the wheel 1 through 6, just like with the other palettes, and let's give it a spin. Number 4. What is number 4? Okay, so number 4 is Alien Ice, and that's the green one. So this is like our first actual like weird color, and I've never used Alien Ice before, so I'm excited to see how that looks. I think I got eyebrow on my palette. Well, there's the makeup. We'll give it a little spray down just to set everything, keep it in place. The last thing the wheel is going to choose for us today is which wig I'm going to wear. All right, let's see what the wheel chooses for wig color. Platinum white. So I'll go get my wig on. I'll probably change my outfit to make it match a little better. And we'll see, I guess. That'll be the final look. Okay, we made it. Let's see what happens. Hey everyone, Kiki's here. So here we go. The long blonde wig. I decided to go with this pink like jumpsuit type thing, which you can kind of see my bra through, but it's fine. And I think that overall it's okay. I wouldn't really choose this makeup if I were going to go out and perform. With that said, let's jump into a short beauty montage just because why not? Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was interesting seeing what like a computer would pick for me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I think that's all the things. Shine bright, my little diamonds. See you next time. Bye.